first time I'm filming in my closet. This is part of the closet. I'm just going to show you right now our full closet. So this is kind of like a mini closet where there's like a little mirror section and some drawers, but it's a mess. Okay. It's bad, but I do have like shelving here, but just a quick glimpse. Again, we're unpacking. So this is the rest of the closet, and that's my portion as well, my boyfriend's portion. There's some behind me right here. So we have lots of space in this closet, but this little nook I really liked. It was kind of cozy, and it had this little mirror where I can kind of vlog and do my makeup if I wanted to, put my jewelry here. So I wanted this little nook. Anyway, you guys can see it's crazy in here, and I just unpacked today, and I tried to like, that's a mess. While I was unpacking, I realized that I have a lot of stuff that can now be hung because we have so much hanging space, and I don't have a dresser. Technically we could get a dresser, but there's just so much space out there, you guys saw. So I gotta hang all this now. So we did a trip to Home Goods and Marshalls. This one was a combination. It was like connected. So Home Goods was on one side, Marshalls was on the other. I'm gonna show you guys what we got. We got pretty much all home stuff. So obvious purchase are hangers. I just got these. I don't know. They're kind of like this like really light pink color. It's pretty neutral in my opinion, so I went with it. And these were really affordable, $9.99 for 25. So I got one. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna get crazy. My boyfriend got this 10-pack of wooden hangers. This is for, you know, his suits and suit jackets and stuff like that, so he can kind of pair them together. This was $12.99. I don't know where to put all this stuff. And then I just got one more. So I got 50 hangers total because y'all, you can see it's crazy. Oh my gosh, this one's all messed up. One of the hangers is messed up. It's fine, but this is a lot of clothes, so I figured I would get more just in case. If I don't use this pack, we'll return it. So got hangers. I feel like I'm making this worse. Oh, my boyfriend also, he got another set of hangers. Let me find them. All right, we're just gonna move on to bag number 2. I'm sure the other set of hangers are in here, but I ended up getting 2 pairs of slippers because this house is very large. There's a lot of wooden floors. There's a lot of like marble floors as well. And my feet have been so cold. And I recently threw away my other pair of slippers because there was like a hole in them. I just wore them to death. So I got these Deer Foams memory foam, and I sized up in these slippers. I am usually a size 7 in shoes, but I needed a size up because I like my slippers to be cozy and to slide on. So this is a size large, 9-10, but I got these for more, you know, going on to the patio and stuff like that, walking around the house. These are going to be really nice. I like the sole, and they're comfy and they're warm. Oh, these were $12.99. And then these, I just loved how comfortable these were. I know they're kind of trendy. They have a little smiley face on them, but I love how it's a taupe-ish color, tan colored smiley face. So it's pretty neutral, but these were so comfortable because I have wide feet. If you have wide feet, you know the struggle. A lot of things are really tight on you when it comes to shoes. So slippers are the same thing, and these are so comfy. I did get a size large, size 8-9, so I did still go up a size, but these were super comfy, and these were $12.99. Okay, the other main thing my boyfriend and I went to Home Goods for were bath mats. So our bathroom floor, the master bathroom, is freezing, like freezing cold, and when you wake up in the morning, you don't want your feet to be freezing, getting out of the shower, all of that. So we decided to get all new bath mats. The one that we have currently doesn't really match, and we just wanted to get fresh ones. So this is a Christie England brand. This is a 24 by 60 inch. So we're going to put this by the sinks. And this was $29.99. So it's big, you guys, because it's going to go across our sinks. And it's just white. Nothing crazy. Really soft. And they're supposed to be like spa-like. So got this one. So it's the super long one. On to bag number 3. We got this one, which is, I think, more of a medium. Like if I had to size them, the last one was a large, really long. This is a 45-inch long one, so it's like a medium size. This one's going to be for like the shower area. So there's that. They're all matching as well. And then this little baby one, which was $9.99. This is for the like toilet area. So we have all new bath mats. I'm so excited. I'm going to put these down after I'm done vlogging. And I'm just so excited about these. Okay. And then what I was talking about, my boyfriend got the same hangers that I got, but in gray. So these are his as well. And yeah, that is everything that we picked up at Home Goods and Marshalls today. It's really exciting, like moving into a new home. We are renting. I don't know if I mentioned that before. We're still renting, but it's still really exciting, and just getting a few new things, it makes it more fun. So that's pretty much it for right now. Hi guys, we're back in the closet. I just have my towel hanging back here in my robe, but this is what we're trying to tackle today. This huge mound of clothes. I bought hangers, which I showed you guys the other day. I'm just gonna put these extra ones right there. I did unbox some of the hangers, and I got all non-slip like velvet hangers, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use them for everything. For example, sweaters maybe, but I have a lot of these like turtlenecks and t-shirts like this, just like plain basics that I want to hang. And sometimes I just want to easily like pull on the sleeve and have it slip right off. And I feel like these non-slip ones are going to make it a little bit difficult to do that. So I don't know, I might get some more plastic ones that kind of slide off easily for certain things, but I don't know. For now, I guess we can just start with that. But I do want to hang up a lot of these like basics, because when they're folded, I just forget about them. They get lost in the shuffle and I don't wear them. And these basics especially, I want to have where I can see them. So we're just going to kind of go through and hang a bunch of these things. And I'm probably going to speed up this process, but hopefully we get through this pile of stuff. And yeah, maybe I can also declutter as we go. Like black t-shirt, I haven't worn this in a while, but if it's hanging, maybe I will. All right, let's just get into it. Alright you guys, we did it. We cleared off all the things that have to be hung. This pile here, these are short, so I'm going to put them higher on that top shelf right there because it's fall winter time and I don't need them right now. Although sometimes I like to wear like I have this pair of shorts, and like you can wear shorts with tights. So I might keep a few of the black pairs down here, but like all my white shorts and like patterns and stuff, they're gonna go up high. I got everything hung. I thought I needed more. I still have these and this whole other 25 pack. So I can maybe return these. I don't know yet. But we have 4 extras. So that is the little area we were just in. And now this is the larger closet. So my boyfriend does have one of his sections over here. We have a chest of drawers. This is one of our pup's little houses. He likes to like be tucked away, and you know, we gave him this little area for him. And so this is my other section here. Obviously lots of room to grow. So I have some purses up here, and this is just the stuff that have been on hangers. They're mostly dresses, but there's, you know, button-ups in there, shirts in there, sweaters. So I have to organize all of this as well, and I'll split everything up with like dresses in one section, which is mostly this, blazers in another section, so I can really see what I have. And yeah, that is the closet so far. We are still working on it. Here's the other section. This is my boyfriend's like work clothes. But yeah, we have lots to do.